This literature kit on Bud, Not Buddy by Christopher Paul Curtis poses questions that will initiate great conversation and discussion in any classroom. 55 pages chocked full of before-you-read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Determine the purpose of the author's intentional use of spelling mistakes in the novel. Discuss the concept of perseverance and determine why it is an important quality to have. Match characters to their statements. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as having students create their own family tree to compare with Bud's. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. List Bud's many homes in the order they were introduced, and give one important lesson he learned at each place. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.